Nagkakaroon na naman ng pagtaas ng COVID-19 cases dito sa Pilipinas. Subalit ayon sa gobyerno, wala raw
dahil ang pagsuyo ko ay multong haplos. Huli na akong lumampi ng 1,000 taon. Papailing ning paggamit ning folk beliefs related to the Minasbad.
Nunglo or the kinabayong could very well be an articulation of this folk.
Then we go farther forward and we'll go to the false shield. At saka ito syempre ang ating sword. Kasi naman ano po kung talaga may zombie po dito.
The Sinagangan of Memories Native Kitchen. The mythology of Bicol blade's hilt could in some cases be lost in the idea of design and in everyday pragmatic existence. Well, it looks good on it, a passerby farmer or blade artisan would blurt out when asked. This, while an Infinito Deus medal is literally tattooed on his chest. Pamparigmat, brightens the sight, he would say. Why bother with local mythology when there's farm work to be done or blades to be built? Life is hard and the dinner table is the altar. And the Franciscans Catholicized southern Luzon, leaving nothing to the imagination. Gugurang became kagurangnan, and the anitos and deities became ornaments on a blade. But in the interplay between hegemony and native discourse, the hilt must strike back, punyo style. So the culture remains, albeit pressed against smartphones and the new world order. It is the Bicol subconscious, speaking through farming and FMA implements. So they are reminded and looks up the Sinagangan in the dirt floor of memories native kitchen. Visit as well our Facebook pages Hagbayon and the Minasbad shop. Thanks for watching. Be safe and remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks.